Hello, I'm Alice. I'm a craft teacher, prop maker, and freelance sculptor. In collaboration with the Artsy Craftsy on the Craftla platform, I'm happy to bring to you Polymer Clay online class for beginners. My clay journey started about 5 years ago in 2015, but I have been in the arts industry for more than 8 years now. I have expanded from making small, simple clay beads to building 12 inches sculptures, to making stage props, to making 2-meter tall installations. So polymer clay is a versatile product that you can mold and shape into whatever you imagine. So from what you observe in the world surrounding you, you can imagine your ideas and put it into creation for your project. So in this class, what we will learn is the basics of polymer clay, the techniques, and some tips for you. So I will share with you a comprehensive guide to polymer clay. And at the end of the class, we will make this mini teddy bear, which is a cute, fun craft that you can do with your friends and yourself. This teddy bear, you can make it into a necklace, a keychain, or even as a pendant. So if you have zero knowledge, or if you have some knowledge and want a refresher course, I welcome you to join this class. I'm looking forward to see you there.